I'm Tim, and I'm your HJM tech expert. In the following video, we're going to go over 6 different individual aspects of the bike that you should be aware of. The frame is the main component of the bike, and a lot of users will unintentionally ignore how important it is. The frame will directly affect the performance of the bike and the stability as well as the handling. So essentially, this is the foundation of the bike. HJM's frame is made of a lighter aviation grade aluminum alloy, which is corrosion resistant and water resistant without deformation. The frame has been subjected to various tests, including horizontal, vertical, and pedal fatigue. They have done these tests over 100 times individually, and under rigorous testing, the frame reaches a great balance of performance between strength and stiffness. Excellent industrial design makes the high shock absorption of the Toury bring a better riding experience to the riders. We provide 2 kinds of e-bikes, the Toury and the Toury step-thru. The biggest difference is the size. The recommended height for the Toury is 5'7", while the recommended height for the Toury step-thru is above 5'3". The battery is attached to the frame, so prior to turning the bike on, make sure the battery is fully seated in its correct place. When you receive the package, please make sure you have someone assist you to help you remove the bike from the box. HJM offers a 30-day test ride and 2-year warranty. If you wish to return your bike or have any kind of warranty issue, be sure and provide the serial number on the frame located right above the headlight. HJM e-bikes are waterproof, but you also need to remove the battery before applying water directly to it. You can wipe the frame with a damp cloth or simply add soapy water to the cloth if necessary. Then dry the e-bike with a clean cloth. Occasionally you should check for any kinds of frame damage, and if there is, you should contact the HJM support team. This concludes our overview of the HJM frame. I'll see you in the next video.